Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers. Let's learn the names of construction vehicles. This is a bulldozer. It pushes big piles of dirt. It has a strong front blade and clears the way. This is an excavator. It digs deep into the ground. It has a big arm and bucket that scoops up soil. This is a dump truck. It carries sand and rocks. It tips backward to dump it all out. This is a cement mixer. It spins and mixes cement. It helps build roads, homes, and walls. This is a crane. It lifts heavy things up high. It has a long arm and moves big beams. This is a backhoe. It digs with a claw in the back. It also has a scoop in front to carry stuff. This is a grader. It smooths the ground out flat. It makes roads level before they're built. This is a skid steer. It's small and spins around. It helps in tight spaces with lifting and digging. This is a forklift. It lifts boxes up and down. It moves heavy things in warehouses and sites.
This is a roller. It squashes the road flat. It has big wheels that roll and press.
This is a pile driver. It hammers poles in the ground. It makes things strong for bridges and tall buildings. This is a pump truck. It sends cement way up high. It has a big pipe that pours where needed. This is a tower crane. It stands very tall. It lifts materials to the tops of buildings. This is a wheel loader. It scoops dirt and gravel. It's like a big shovel on wheels. This is a scraper. It cuts and hauls earth fast. It flattens the land by pulling dirt in. This is a trencher. It digs long, narrow holes. It's great for pipes and wires underground. This is a boom lift. It lifts people in the air. It helps workers fix lights in high places. This is a crawler crane. It moves on tracks, not wheels. It lifts heavy things and can go over rough ground. This is a drilling machine. It drills holes deep down. It helps build foundations or water wells. This is a breaker. It smashes rocks and cement. It breaks things apart with a strong hammer tool.